Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video we're going to take a look at power washing our floor. So let's go ahead and just take a look at that. A lot of dirt on it, right? It has a lot of mold, mildew, who knows what's going on here. As you can see, if I take my foot and I just kind of slide it across, not really able to get it out. I've tried to brush it out, it doesn't work that well. So what we're going to do today is take a look at power washing the concrete here with just a regular garden hose and an extension piece. So let's get to it. Today we're going to take a look at the Gilmour nozzle that you can put onto any garden hose. And it has a few different functions. It has a sweep, soft spray, sprinklers. The one we're going to use today is the jet. And let's go ahead and just take a look. And we're going to be able to just take a squirt right here. And look how easily this comes off, right? It just washes that dirt right away, right away. As you can see here, we're going to be able to take a lot of the dirt off. All right, pretty easily, pretty quickly. So here's my 3-year-old using this garden hose with the extension piece. And just nice and easy, nice and easy. This dirt is coming off pretty quick and pretty seamlessly. Now if I had to hire someone, they may charge us $50, $100 just to go ahead and just do this backyard. I know there's some other pieces over here that I need to do. We'll definitely take a look and just start washing it all out. It's so easy, even my 3-year-old can do it. All in all, pretty good experience as we can see here.